Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Side Hustle Keisha, and on this channel, I share with you opportunities to make money on the side, whether you can do it through your phone or from the comfort of your home. These opportunities could be gigs that you can get, temporary, part-time, at your convenience gigs, or full and part-time opportunities I will share on my channel. So make sure you guys hit that subscription button, hit that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button. So every time I upload a video, you're in the know. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook as Side Hustle Keisha as well. So let's just jump right into this Keisha's quick side hustle. So I saw this earlier today, wanted to take a look at it, did some research on it. So definitely wanted to come here and share it with you. Okay. This company is called, a neighbor. Store your stuff with the neighbor, right? So if you were looking for a place to store your stuff at a cheaper rate than going to say the local storage places, which can average person is paying $80 to $100 to store items. So you could go over here and look for someone in your neighborhood who may have some extra space, which is cheaper. So that if that was you, but here's what I'm telling you guys about this. If you have a driveway, a long driveway, a loft space, or a extra storage space available in your garage, or RV parking, you can rent that space out. So make money on neighbor. Rent out your unused space to store your neighbor's belongings. It's easy and it's safe and it's free. So you go here and you could put, if you have a basement, a closet, a driveway, or garage. I saw on the commercial, this particular home had like an extra RV parking, so they allowed their neighbor who was parking their boat and car on the street to park in their unused RV parking spot. So they offered him the opportunity to park there, and now they're making money on the space that they weren't even using, right? So how to host, you can start making money on Neighbor in as little as 5 minutes. List for free. So you can list your space for free. Want to list your RV pad free, your unfinished basement, your spare bedroom, no charge. Did we mention we have an app so you can monitor all through your phone? You can respond to renters. Interested renters will reach out to you. You can see what they will be storing or even meet them in person before agreeing to anything. As you let your neighbors store their belongings in your home, your community grows a little closer and your wallet a little fatter, right? So let's watch this video. She said, I make $10,000 per year on Neighbor.
So we make about $10,000 a year just through Neighbor. It makes a big difference. I'm a middle school teacher, so it's not like our income is humongous. Neighbor is a company that brings people together. People who have property or space that they aren't using with people who need to rent storage.
I think it's a good win-win situation. I get some income coming in. At the same time, you've got people who are getting a good deal. And so all in all, I think we're all happy. It works great for us. It truly feels like your neighbor is coming in and just dropping some stuff off and then picking it up later.
I listed my RV pad on Neighbor, and within a week it was rented. I'm making $200 a month through Neighbor, and I don't have to do anything.
So just to kind of quantify the value of Neighbor as an investor, right now I'm actually making just as much money as I would if I were to buy an entirely new investment property. If you want to make extra money and if you care about cash flow, you should definitely be using Neighbor right now.
So that's how it works, guys. So that's they gave you kind of like a highlight of different people, what they're doing to make money on Neighbor. Safety first, of course, and every interaction on Neighbor is funded on trust. Okay, so renters trust hosts to take good care of their belongings. The hosts trust the renters to be careful with what they store. We do all we can to foster an environment of trust on our platform. Hosts can talk to potential renters or even meet with them in person before letting them use the space. Neighbors $1 million host guarantee also protects hosts for personal liability. Free $1 million host guarantee, nationwide customer support, chance to screen potential renters, ability to require photo ID. So here's another video, tells you how it works from the other end of it, okay?
Welcome to Neighbor, where you can find storage at half the cost in your own neighborhood. Search through thousands of storage options near you, including RV pads, garages, warehouses, and more. Neighbor has the lowest prices on the market, and communication between hosts and renters is as easy as sending a text. Reserving a space online couldn't be easier, and monthly payments are secure and automatic. Plus, unlike at a storage facility, Neighbor protects each of its renters with its $25,000 renter guarantee. Book a space with us today at neighbor.com. Neighbor, the new way to store.
So it sounds like everybody is covered. You're covered for hosting. The other person is the renter is also has a $25,000 coverage. And if they already have renter's insurance or something of that nature, there's some insurance that they're covered also through their renter's insurance. So the payout protection. Host pays out a guarantee while the storage space is occupied, even if the renter stops paying. Okay. Hosts are paid out through Neighbor's secure payment process trusted by Google, Spotify, Target, Amazon, and million other businesses. Automatic deposits. So after quickly and securely connecting a bank account to Neighbor, host pays out are directly deposited automatically at the end of each month. So each month you get your payment for the space, okay? So you can go here and list the space. You also can go out and see what's available in your neighborhood and what other people are offering their spaces for. Also, you can check out reviews on here as well. So let's go down. Let's see if we see any additional reviews on Neighbor. Was trying to get some extra reviews. So if you look at these videos here, this was the video that caught my eye. So I want to run this video so you can see that. I would definitely check out Neighbor. Here we go.
Owning a home is expensive. I have to pay for a mortgage, repairs, utilities, cleaning, decorations. But does your home make you money? Well, mine does. Neighbor.com lets me rent out the space I don't use to neighbors who need storage. For example, I get paid to let my neighbors store.
Okay, so that's slowing down, but definitely check out Neighbor, you guys. It's a great opportunity for you to make some extra money and you rent out space that you're not using. Okay, so that's just how Neighbor works. Okay, so I wanted to tell you about this other opportunity. It's called
He saves money while I make money.
Double Good. Double Good is a virtual fundraiser. And I'll give you a quick story why I was looking at Double Good. The reason why I was looking at Double Good is because I ran across it on Facebook. They were running an ad on Facebook. And my son had been asking to do, like he's asked several times to do a taco stand, a lemonade stand. We can't do that because of COVID. He is always looking for opportunities to make money so he can get more toys. But he also wants to grow his YouTube channel. The boy asked me for a GoPro. So I don't even have a GoPro. I'm still using my cell phone, my laptop, and my computer. So he asked for a GoPro. So I told him what he could do is if he wanted to start making money for things for his business, we'll find things that he can sell. So with Double Good, you can do a virtual fundraiser. You can do, I'll just basically share with you how it works, okay? So they have virtual fundraising, meet pop-up stores. Pop-up stores make it easy for you and your team to fundraise beyond your neighborhood without ever having to handle money or deliver products. But I went ahead and signed up to do the fundraiser because it was something I told my son, hey, if you want to earn money, you can do different things. You can sell different things. And we had to figure out how to sell things from a kid standpoint, something maybe that his friends would want to buy from him, something that our friends and family, something that people would see his video, his YouTube video or his video from his Facebook would want to support him and buy. And he would get 50% of the profits from it, but we would break it up and do split it up, do maybe a third of the business goes back to in his savings to store for the other business that he wants to do, and then the third of it will go into a savings account, and the other one will go into his spending account that he can spend to get stuff that he wants, right? So just something to think about. But moms, you guys can do this to raise money for whatever you need. I'm doing it for him to fund his ideas of businesses that he wants to do to make money, and things that he wants to do to build his YouTube channel. Those things are going to cost eventually, and this is going to fund that project. I'm not going to fund all of his dreams. I'll always have his back, but I'm not going to always fund everything that he wants to do. If he wants to really be an entrepreneur, he's going to show me by selling popcorn. And it doesn't matter if he sells 10 or 100. He did the work, and then I'm going to help him do the next thing. But he has to do the work himself. I'm not just going to funnel these projects, because sometimes kids are going to change their mind. They're going to grow up and they're not going to want to do this. But he's been asking for 2 years, and he's 8, to have a lemonade stand, have a taco stand, and I told him he could raise money by selling different things, and this is one of the things that he will be selling from his YouTube channel, his Facebook. Check him out, Bubba Darrell on YouTube and Bubba Darrell on Facebook, and we'll be opening up his Instagram shortly. Okay, so you guys, 2 opportunities. I'll put the websites below in the description box. Check them out. You be creative. Think about how you want to do this, because when you go here, it's everything through the app. All you do is send the person the link, and they pick the popcorn they want. That link is tied to you. You'll make 50%. So here's the pop-up store for every participant. Each of your team members will be selling popcorn, will get their own pop-up stores to personalize using the Double Good app and a unique link to share with friends and family. So the pop-up store is a personalization. When creating your personal pop-up store, each participant will set a goal for how many dollars worth of popcorn they want to sell and upload their photo on, or you can upload a video. So Coach Kim's pop-up store, she was doing it for the track and field team, right? So you could do it for many reasons, or different reasons. I think Darrell and I will have a store. Both will have a store under his store, so that way, you know, I can send my link, he can send his link, and we'll see how he does. But it's not just for fundraisers. So I just want you to be clear, you guys, to know that it up here, when I read about it, that's what gave me the idea. It gave me the idea because it said something here about how it works. Brochure fundraising. You can come here and request a brochure. You can come here and place an order. I received this kit, so I want to show you guys this kit. This kit came with what I need to do, and Darrell and I are going to do this tonight, you guys. This kit came here, and I said this will be a quick video, I'm sorry. So it tells me what I need to do. I'm going to run everything through my cell phone for him, but it also came with 2 popcorns for us to try. And this is the caramel popcorn. So, and this is the main cheese popcorn. And it came in this cute little box. And I thought the presentation was super cute. It goes over, you know, orders arrive sorted, 50% profit, no upfront cost. So you don't have to pay any money. You could do this from now until the end of the year and use that money to launch whatever business you have, you want to launch, whatever nonprofit organization you want to launch, and you don't want to fund that project out of your own pocket. So it's a great opportunity to make side money for whatever else you are doing. And everybody loves popcorn. So getting started, you would come here. You're going to get a free info kit. That way you get to try out the product. You're going to request brochures. I'm doing everything through the app, okay? So check this out. Let me know what you guys think. The product, I love the packaging on the product. Super, 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 super cute. And I think it would do well during the holidays because people can give them in gift baskets or gift boxes. They can make gift boxes up to send to their friends and family, because Christmas may be a little different this year due to COVID. So you could just do so many things with it. You guys, the links for this opportunity below in the description box. You guys check it out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great night. And I'm sorry that this video is a little long, but I just wanted to give you, I think these are 2 quick side hustles that you can do simultaneously with your regular job and something else. Okay, have a good one. See you in the next video.